another day, another episode of my vlog. We're busy right now. We have lots of all-inclusive guests. The live band they start playing right now. The playing start at 5:30 until 9 o'clock in the evening. So most probably like 6 or 6:30 or 7 o'clock. There's gonna be filled up guests right now. Because we have a lot and lots of all-inclusive right now. So, yeah, doing practice right now. Okay? Cool? Hey! Say this. This is JJ. Speaking ready on this. Go pee! Go pee!
How are you?
Yeah, man. Salt, lots of salt, okay?
Nice, it's very tasty.
Yeah, that's really tasty right now. Add some ice cream, okay? The salt ice cream. So they're just making ready right now. It's ready to go. Hey. So this is a beach right now. Look at this. Look at that view. Look at that. Look at that. Hey Josie. There's a new baby right now. RG. Yeah man. We have new stuff. That bar just looks like empty right now, but soon that's gonna be filled up, guys. This is our menu for tonight. It's a Caribbean night. That is every Monday. Every Monday. This is making ready. Chef Anton is here. Yeah.
What are you doing today, huh?
Yeah. JJ again. Hi, bye. There's a fried plantain. That's gonna be busy soon. What about the icing?
Everything full.
Yeah, you get just a little one.
Yeah, get all the salad.
There's all Bisaya down here.
Yeah, get all the salad.
Yeah, there's all Bisaya. There's no Tagalog.
Ticket for the blacker, huh?
Yeah.
Ticket for the blacker at 6.
Tony, Anthony.
Philip.
Yeah, man.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Okay, that's it for now. Alright? Hi Joe, say hello one.
Hello, what's up?
Bye. Hello.
Good night.
Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna start later on. Okay? I'm gonna start coming in now. Hey brother. See this group down there? Coming to have dinner with us now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, my Facebook page, Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram. Thank you. Gosling, this is what we make it dark and stormy, baby. Hey, that's good? Got it, man. So this is the dark stormy. So, ginger beer and the Gosling. Yeah, it's purple brain.
Oh yeah,
guys. So we want to wish Miss William happy birthday, 70th
See how
birthday.
busy is the table right now?
Happy
Over
birthday
here.
to you.
Watch.
Thank you.
There's a big group of guests down there. We have the other side also. Just in case. Over here. That one. Hey, now it's like I have a mask right now. It's closed. It's a busy night tonight. Everybody's gone home, and now it's like time to close this bar and clean up, so that I can leave. Also, I have to do my report, grab the cash, and everything, and that's good. That's how I can go home. There's a lot of cleanup right now, as you can see. Lots of cleanup over here. Look at that, garbage and everything. And these glasses you have to put this inside also. Please again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then the my IG, and then my Facebook page. Please hit like button. You guys get me updated all the time when I have a new video. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. I'm not doing daily of my video, but somehow it's like once in a week, and somehow when I have a time also, because this place is busy, you know. So I guess like work first, and then this one, my channel, right? And thank you so much. Have a good night, guys. Happy weekend.